everyone, my name is Ishita. Welcome to my channel, The World Classroom. I will be your go-to-go guide in order to fulfill your immigration journey. So in today's video, we will be talking about the myths that are spreaded around in regards to the U.S.A. study visa. So we will be tackling those myths, and along with I'll answer some questions that has been asked by my students in order to crack the U.S.A. visa. We are not attorney or any legal advisor. The information that is broadcasting on my channel is based on my research that I have done and the information that is already uploaded on the official website. Nowadays, there is a news that is spreading or floating among the society that if you are going to apply from UK for U.S.A. visa immigration and you are the citizen of India and you are going to apply from any European country, from Singapore, Thailand and from Australia, and the visa officer won't be able to get the access of your denials, your previous denials or rejection. So this is completely wrong. This is completely, I would say, false information, because from wheresoever you will apply, the visa officer is having the complete access of your file, your previous rejections, your complete access of your previous work history, your academic study, and what kind of information you have previously filled in your DS-160. So while giving your visa interview, you need to stay honest and try to be as much as original you can, because after rejection, the initial 10 to 15 seconds can only help you out to get acceptance. In these 10 to 15 seconds, you have to be very much original, and you have to present yourself confidently. Actually, when they are applying for study visa, they are generally focused towards the documents only. They are pretty much focused towards the filing. But I would say definitely you should have each and every document along with the proof of your funding, your academic study and everything. But don't underestimate the confidence that needs to be carried during your interview section. So you have to be well prepared in your interview section, because during your interview, what kind of story and poise you are going to make in front of the officer is the most crucial thing, because they'll hardly get time to access each and every document that you are carrying with you. Document is the last thing as soon as they got convinced by yourself and what kind of explanation you have given to the visa officer. So please be ready and be confident while answering in front of the officer. Well, the third thing, if you are applying for a visa where you need a sponsor, so the name of the sponsor doesn't matter. What matters the most is that what is the relationship you are carrying with that sponsor. For example, you are going for the study visa and your parents are going to sponsor you with XYZ amount of money in your financial. So when the officer will ask you about who is sponsoring you, don't just give them that my parents. Rather, give them the complete explanation that my parents are going to sponsor through these things, like my parents are indulged into the profession such as real estate, or we are having some assets, or we are having this much of liquid amount with us. So while showcasing your sponsorship, you have to give the evidence and proof of your financial. Do take care of this question. Well, if you have a family member in USA, that will 100% affect your chances to get your visa. Because, for example, your family members are residing over there as a non-immigrant, or they are residing over there on legal status, then visa interviewer might think that you will also follow the same footprints that your family members are following. So you have to take care while giving the explanation of your family members that on what status they are over there. So before filling the DS-160, you have to, I would say, understand this question properly, because it might affect the chances to get your visa approved. So one of the most important myths that people around us are not known to that why they got refused. Either they got refused because they were not having the strong academic background, or they got refused because they were not able to prove their financials, right? But I have seen that agents around you generally cook the stories that they can ask to someone in the embassy and they'll find the reason behind. No. When you are giving the interview, or when you are facing the interview, you should know that what are the drawbacks and what are the loopholes that needs to be taken care in your another visa interview. because actually it's you and the visa officer who have suspected the complete situation. Either it is because you were underconfident or you were not able to give the complete proof of your financial. So do take care of this and do not get yourself, I would say, indulge into such kind of myths. Thanks for watching.